Hello everyone, this is Professor Zavala Martin, and I am here today to talk about our Leadership Vision and Purpose assignment for EDUU 640. And specifically, we're just going to talk about one part of the assignment, which is the creation of a Google Slides show. So it's right near the beginning of the assignment instructions, and we're just going to do that little piece. How do you create a Google Slide show today? So let's get started. The first thing you do is, of course, open the assignment instructions, which we have right here, and it tells you what sections to create on your Google Slides document. So I'm just going to actually copy that because I just like to take shortcuts. And then I'm going to go make sure that I'm signed in to my Brandman account, my email account. Here I am as a Brandman student. Sign into your Brandman Gmail account, your Google account, and then you go on up here. Here I am in my email, and I'm going to go up to the Google Apps and just click on those until I find the slides. So there are the slides. Of course, you have all of the Google Suite available to you as a Brandman student. That's what's so fantastic. So it just, you open up to this page here, and this will show you a lot of the presentations that I have, as well as some templates, but I'm just going to start with a blank template. So you just click on that, and I don't like it all plain like that, so let's see, I'm just going to choose a template. So we'll do this. Okay, so here I am on my first slide. So Google Slides works a lot like PowerPoint. It's just, slightly different. And in fact, you can also, for this assignment, actually create a PowerPoint and upload it and turn it into a Google Slides. But we'll talk a little bit about that later. So I'm going to name this. This is my Leadership Vision and Purpose. And here's my name. Of course, you'll have some other information on here, like the course. There we go. So that's all ready. And then I just click this little plus button here, and it gives me another slide. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste all that stuff I copied. Oh, and that just to have it there. And it's black, so we don't like that. We're going to have to change it. Make it white. Here we go. Okay. So I'm just using this because it's a little bit easier to keep track of. Let's get rid of those bullets. I don't really need those for that. Okay. So I just have this here to help me remember what I'm doing. You can do it any way you want. So first we have introduction. And then I'm going to add another slide. I go back here and see, and that slide's going to be theories. Some of these sections have more than one slide, but I'm just trying to, show you how to get just get started on it. The next one is transformation. Okay, so let's add that. And what is the next one? What does she want? Qualities. Okay. Oops, I added it in the wrong place, but that's not a problem. I just can move that slide however I want it. So I'm going to move it down. Past transformation. What was that again? That was qualities. And I can remember the next one. The next one is competencies. I should be able to remember it, you would think, huh? Competencies. And then I don't remember what the last one was, so let me go check. Vision and purpose. So let's add another slide. Let's see, where'd it go? Well, it added to the wrong place again, did it? That's okay. We're just going to move that. So, vision and purpose. So now I have started my Google Slides for this assignment, and I think I'm going to go ahead and keep working on it a little bit. I'm going to go back and when I do assignments, what I like to do is copy and paste the assignment instructions right into my document. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to start working on that now. I'm going to copy and paste this just to kind of get me started. So the introduction goes here. I didn't do the references page yet, but that's okay. And of course, I keep forgetting to change this, which is not a big deal. We just go over here and find our text and go to color and make it white. And I don't think I need that bullet. Sometimes we get a little tied up on little formatting things, but that's okay. I think I'll move that over a little bit and make it bigger. Next time I'll see if there's a better paste function for this. Text is going to go, no, that didn't make it bigger. Okay, so that's introduction. Let me go back and theories. So in the theories, she wants to have you have a slide for each theory, one of 3 theories, but we'll just get started on that. I didn't copy that all the way. Let me copy it all the way. I'm going to try something else this time. When I go back to my presentation and I paste, I'm going to see if it lets me paste. Okay, there we go. There we go. So this, when I chose paste without formatting, it did a little bit, made it a little bit nicer than when I just pasted that black font in there. Okay, so I'm just gonna, since I have to have this 3 times, I'm gonna go ahead and see how I copy and paste this slide. Let's see. Well, let's just try copy. Sometimes if you go like this, you can copy the whole slide and make sure you're not just in the text. So let's try this. Copy, paste, paste. Okay, so now I have my 3 theory slides started. What else does she want? She wants a transformation section. That's your transformational goal. You already wrote that assignment. So we're going to go back and find the transformation slide and again do a paste special. Paste without formatting, that is, just to get that information on there so that I can get to work. All right, qualities. Now let's see what she wants there. We can do this as 1 slide or we can do this as several slides. Probably can do it all in 1 slide. That's what I'm thinking. So that's what I'm going to try. I'll go up to the quality section. We're going to paste again. And then competencies, same thing. Qualities and competencies for this assignment are written pretty much the same way. Okay, and here we are, paste without formatting. I think there's just 1 more. I know I have references to do, but I'm not worried about that. So let's go ahead and copy this and then put it in there. Oops, look at that, I forgot. But all I have to do is use the back button, click edit again, and paste without formatting. There we are. So I have started my Google slideshow that I will present using Screencast-O-Matic eventually after I write it. I'm just going to give it a title. It'll automatically give you the title that you put, your first words in there. And then the next thing, the last thing you need to be able to do with your Google slideshow is you're going to put it in your portfolio. And one easy way to do that, of course, is to share it. And I think I'll do it by doing a shareable link. That's the easiest way. And remember that you might not know this, or you might, but you can choose your sharing settings, and that's really important to do because or else people might not be able to get it. So you really have to think about how you want to do it. You can do it so that anyone who's logged into Brandman can find and access that, and I think I will do that, and then they can view it, or they can edit, or they can comment. And I think I'll make it so that they can comment because I'll be sending it to my instructor. So anyone at Brandman University can comment. I save. And then I copy that link. And then if I were to go and put this in my portfolio, I would just take the link and copy it in there. So that is all you need to do to start your Google slideshow. And we will have another video to show you some of the other great technologies we're going to use in this assignment. Talk to you later.